All right, gentlemen, real talk. If your mornings aren't what they used to be, and I think we both know what I'm talking about, then listen closely. You're already drinking coffee every morning, right? But what if I told you that by adding just a few simple ingredients to that cup, you could boost your blood flow, energy, and yes, those morning situations that used to be way more reliable? I'm Dr. Jocelyn, and I've spent the last 5 years as a urologist helping men just like you regain strength, vitality, and confidence. And here's the truth. Sometimes the most effective solutions aren't in a pharmacy, they're in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you exactly what to put in your coffee so that it becomes more than just a wake-up drink. It becomes a tool to support your performance and your energy all day long. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Where are you watching from? I love connecting with you guys. It reminds me why I do this work. Here's a myth that's been around too long. After 50, weaker erections are just part of aging. That's not entirely true. The real culprit isn't always testosterone, it's blood flow. After 50, your blood vessels get stiffer, nitric oxide production drops, and your circulation isn't delivering oxygen and nutrients as efficiently as it used to. Think of it like this. Plain coffee gives you a quick spike and crash. Your heart races for a bit, then you're reaching for cup number 2 by 10 a.m. It doesn't fix the underlying issue. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a cracked pipe. What we want is a coffee that doesn't just wake you up, it actively supports your vascular health, hormones, and energy. Over the past 5 years, I've helped men in their 50s, 60s, 70s, even 80s restore their vitality. And one thing I've learned, it doesn't always take medication. Small, consistent nutritional adjustments, things you probably already have at home, can make a huge difference. The ingredients I'll share today are backed by research, peer-reviewed studies, not internet rumors. And more importantly, I've seen them work in real life. Everyday men reclaiming their mornings, their energy, and their confidence. Let's break this down into the 5 coffee boosters that can make a real difference. I'll explain what they do biologically, how they affect you emotionally, and how they fit into your daily life. 1. Cinnamon, nature's blood flow helper. Start with cinnamon, not the kind sitting in your cupboard. Ideally, Ceylon cinnamon because it's safer for daily use. Just 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in your morning coffee is enough. Biology. Cinnamon regulates blood sugar. High blood sugar damages tiny vessels, especially those feeding your penis. It also stimulates nitric oxide production, relaxing your blood vessels. Emotionally, men notice more balanced energy, less fatigue, and a return of confidence when their bodies aren't bouncing off sugar spikes. Practical tip: sprinkle it into your coffee, stir, and enjoy. You'll taste a gentle warmth, like a cozy Mexican or Middle Eastern coffee experience. One patient, 58 and working construction, said it was the difference between needing a nap at 2 p.m. and powering through the day. 2. Cocoa powder, the natural nitric oxide booster. Next, unsweetened cocoa powder, just a teaspoon, not chocolate syrup or hot cocoa mix. Biology, cocoa flavonoids increase nitric oxide, opening your arteries. More nitric oxide means stronger blood flow where it counts. It's basically a natural Viagra-like boost without the pill. Cocoa also provides magnesium, supporting testosterone and muscle function. Emotionally, men report feeling lighter, sharper, and more motivated. The compounds also lift mood. Think of that gentle, good feelings effect of love hormones. Practical tip: add cocoa to cinnamon coffee. You get a mocha-like flavor without sugar crashes. Start with a teaspoon and adjust to taste. 3. Maca powder, adaptogen for hormone balance. Maca, a root from the Andes, is known as Peruvian natural Viagra, but it works differently. Biology. Maca helps your body support natural hormone production. Amino acids, vitamins, and compounds in maca support testosterone production, energy, and sexual function over time. Emotionally, men notice improvements in desire, stamina, and overall vitality within 2 to 3 weeks. It's sustainable and gradual, no artificial spikes. Practical tip: add 1/2 to a full teaspoon into your coffee 2 to 3 times per week. It has a nutty, malted, milk-like flavor. Yellow maca is mild, red is great for prostate health, black is for energy and stamina. 4. Coconut oil, hormone fuel. A teaspoon of coconut oil in your coffee may sound weird, but hear me out. Biology. Testosterone is made from cholesterol. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which convert directly to energy and help support hormone production. The fat slows caffeine absorption, giving steady energy. Emotionally, you'll notice fewer energy crashes, better gym performance, and a sense of fullness that reduces cravings. Practical tip: blend it into your coffee. Don't just stir. A little blender, milk frother, or even shaking in a mason jar works. Start with half a teaspoon if your digestive system is sensitive, and build up. 5. Ginger, circulation rocket fuel. Finally, ginger, fresh or powdered, just a quarter teaspoon or a thin slice. Biology. Gingerol compounds reduce inflammation, protect your testicles from oxidative stress, and increase luteinizing hormone, signaling testosterone production. Better circulation and hormone support combined. Emotionally, men feel alert, energized, and ready for the day, like their body is waking up fully. Practical tip: use fresh ginger for immediate effects, powder for convenience. Watch for mild blood-thinning effects if you're on medications. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start slow and consistent. Week 1, cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon daily. Week 2, add cocoa, 1 teaspoon. Week 3, add maca a few days a week. Week 4, experiment with coconut oil or ginger. Track energy, mood, morning erections, workouts, whatever matters to you. Even simple notes on your phone work. Most men find that after 30 days, this becomes a permanent habit. Lazy option: premix cinnamon and cocoa in a jar, 1 spoonful in coffee daily, easy, fast, effective. Weekend power coffee: blend coffee with coconut oil, cinnamon, cocoa, and a small piece of ginger. 30 seconds in a blender turns it into a creamy, energy-packed drink. Gentlemen, this isn't about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about supporting your body and giving yourself the dignity of reclaiming strength and confidence. Age doesn't mean decline. It means you need smarter, targeted fuel. Small, consistent actions can create massive changes in energy, mood, and intimacy. Your morning coffee can be more than a wake-up. It can be your daily support for everything that matters as a man. You don't need exotic ingredients, expensive supplements, or gimmicks. Cinnamon, cocoa, maca, coconut oil, and ginger. Simple, affordable, effective. Start small, experiment, and see what works for you. Drop a comment. What do you currently put in your coffee? Try one addition for a week and share your results. Hit subscribe for more practical men's health tips after 50. Share this with a buddy. You never know whose life you might change with a simple conversation. Remember, your body is still capable of amazing things. Small changes lead to big results. You're not done. Far from it. You're just getting started. This is Dr. Jocelyn reminding you, stay strong, stay confident, and take control of your mornings.